Brothers, part 2 of relationship repair. Consider this: lead. Set the tone and take the lead of the interaction. And ideally, it's best to set the tone and take the lead of how you want to handle conflict in your relationships before the conflict happens. So if you're with a lovely lady, when stuff comes up at some point, lead. Tell her how you want to handle conflict. And hopefully how you want to handle conflict is by committing to hearing and understanding her and communicating instead of arguing. Arguing gets us nowhere except into the amygdala, the more primitive part of our brains that handles fight, flight, or freeze. And nothing good in terms of conflict resolution comes out of that place. But if we set the tone and take the lead and tell her, I'm committed to listening. I'm committed to having you feel heard and understood. And I'd like the same in return. And I want us to be kind to each other, because this is about helping each other. This is about helping each other grow and fulfill our potentials. And if we're not kind, things are going to go off the rails pretty quickly, because that's just going to put us more in fight, flight, or freeze. But if we show up, and even in these times of conflict, it is our job to be calm. Between the stimulus of conflict, or whatever is coming up, and how we're going to react to that. And hopefully it's not a reaction, it's more of a response. There's a pause between those two moments. So hopefully something comes up, we feel ourselves, our emotions going into our primitive brain fight, flight, or freeze response. We want to defend, we want to make excuses, we want to argue, we want to rationalize, we want to explain ourselves, all those things. Ideally, we're choosing not to react based on our conditioning, based on what our natural fight, flight, or freeze response might be, and take a pause, take a breath even, and decide to respond instead of react. Because the reaction is where things start to go off the rails, and then you have all that emotion flooding in, disrupting peace and disrupting the ability to actually show up for each other, listening, being calm, hearing the other, understanding the other. And it gives us that moment within the pause to choose calmness. Take a breath, calm, and we're leading in that way. So lead. Help the other regulate their your nervous system by you being calm, by you listening, by you not attacking. This is a partnership, and we want to help each other through. That should be the spirit of it. And in the spirit of that, helping the other regulate, coming down from the fight, flight, or freeze into a more calm, relaxed space. And this will definitely be something that will help our relationships and the resolution of conflict.